Hello. Welcome to FTX Academy. In this FTX e-commerce training video, we'll be covering the age verification setup. Once you're logged into the admin site, on the left-hand side, you're going to navigate to the settings page, down to General, and then Age Verification. From here, we're going to enable the age verification toggle to on. This is going to allow us to have a couple of checkboxes. One is verify customer's age before showing age-restricted products. This is considered a hard gate, where the consumer cannot access the website and see any products or age-restricted products before they're validated or verified that they're of age, with this turned on. Next is the verify customer age during checkout. If just this one is turned on, that's considered a soft gate. The site will allow you to ask the question, are you of 21 years age, but not validate the customer. They will be able to see age-restricted products with the flag age-restricted listed on the product. They'll not be able to complete the checkout until they're verified with this one turned on. And then there is verify age during fulfillment. This is for the fulfilling employee on your side to ask for either ask date of birth, ask to scan the back of driver's license, or by scanning their age verified QR code within the app. You can select one or three in any combination of those fulfillment verification options. Down below is the verified age using FTX Identity. FTX Identity is a product by us where we validate the consumer's age and identity. Down below, we can click to configure, which will bring us to a new login screen for FTX Identity. Over here, you'll see a dashboard for its usage. It'll display how many validations have passed, how many were rejected, and how the percentage of the past amounts. You can also look at your daily count between pass, rejected, or incomplete. We're going to move over to the configurations tab and choose between either Loyal and Save or FTX Commerce. In this case, we're going to edit FTX Commerce. From here, we can either name the verification setting, choose between what type, custom, Altria, physical site. For FTX Commerce, we're going to select custom. Next, we're going to activate enhanced identity verification using, and from the dropdown, either OTP, which is a one-time password, KB, which is knowledge base, or a mix between OTP or knowledge base. This adds the additional layer to verify using one of the two methods, or a combination of both. Next is required ID. You can select from on instant verification failed, on every time, on one time, or on unverified only. This is asking when you want to ask for the ID. By default, we only ask ID if we could not complete the instant verification from the public database verification. Next is a check for Selfie with ID. This is to match against their driver's license. The process will allow you to take a picture of your driver's license and then a selfie picture of your face so the system can match the images and compare between the live selfie and your ID. Next is Protect ID verification with OTP. You want to check this if you want to ask OTP after ID verification to verify phone number is used. And lastly is Approved Existing Profile using, choosing between the personal data will verify against what the customer already filled out, where the OTP, liveness, and knowledge base will be asked to verify either another picture or a one-time password, or the knowledge-based questions that are already answered. And lastly, up top is age settings. You would enable this to control age restricted based on region. If you're selling items outside of the current state or area that you're in, you can select what state or area and what age validation is required in case the laws or restrictions are different between the two locations or multiple locations. Simply select what age you're required and add in the state of which you're looking for. Once done, press the Save Changes button up top, and you are set up. Well, this wraps up this training video of FTX Commerce Age Validation. We're always adding exciting new features, so please subscribe and stay up to date with our newest training videos.